Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Redmi Note 15. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. I'll show you both of them. First and the recommended method is a reset using the settings. Simply open them up, click on About Phone, scroll down a little, and find Factory Reset. Remember that everything will be permanently erased from your device if you click on Erase All Data. So, for example, before you reset your device, you can create a backup of your data. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm explaining everything step by step. I'm showing all possible options, so if you want, you can watch that video. Now, if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and the next thing that you need to do is to set up your device. It is really easy. Now, the next thing is a reset using the recovery mode, but when it comes to resetting using this mode, we need to remember about two things. First thing is that after the reset, when we get into setup process, there's a chance that we'll have to type our password, our screen lock, if we have one, as a confirmation that we are a user of this device. Or we'll have to sign in into the same Google account into which we were logged in before the reset. There's a chance that it will appear during the setup process, so you need to remember about it. Now, to perform a reset using the recovery mode, we need to power off our device first. So click on Power button and Volume Up button and select Power Off. Okay, and now we need to hold Power button and Volume Up button at the same time. So keep holding both buttons. If you see the logo, release the finger from Power button, but keep holding Volume Up. And now we're in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. To navigate, select Wipe Data. Now confirm by clicking Power button. Again, wipe all data. Remember, everything will be erased, so it's good to have a backup. Again, wipe all data, confirm, select Confirm, click Power button. The process has now started. It shouldn't take long. Okay, data wiped successfully. Select Back to Main menu. Now select Reboot, confirm, reboot the system, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on. Just like in the previous method, in the first method, the setup process will appear on our screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.